Hey guys, I'm Heather with WTI. Gardenreet makes a bronze pathway light that lit up our lives. Come outside with me and I'll show you how gorgeous they look installed. What a difference these have made. About mid-pathway, we have a little step here. And at night, that could be treacherous as our guests are leaving. So while they're aesthetically pleasing and they add a really nice warm look to the front, it really does let us rest easy that we have a safer exit for our guests, thanks to the lit up walkway. The bronze setup, which by the way, our professional lighting guy very much approved of. These are a quality pathway light. He mentioned that the anchor quality or the PVC stake that they include with this is such a good quality that it adds to the stability and the longevity also. But best part, these bulbs can be replaced. Many pathway lights are just done when they're finished, but Gardenreet sends an actual bulb that you can install and replace if it's ever needed. You don't just lose the light. Simple to install. Took very little time, especially since we already had the spotlights and the ability to tie into our main power source through there. Very, very beautiful to look at. Solid brass construction. It's this beautiful antique bronze and quality lights to avoid corrosion or peeling. They're low voltage, and I love that they're waterproof. We have irrigation that sprays on them at least once or twice a day, so we really needed them to be waterproof completely. We have been totally satisfied with them. An amazing look and gives just enough light. It really does make an improvement and a difference having a well-lit home and pathway. Just in case you're looking for a way to light up your pathway, I think I might have found it for you. That's my point of view.